Classification of plants by Decroly Education Centre. Plant kingdom. Flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. 3 groups. Ferns. Mosses. Gymnosperms. Non-flowering plants do not produce flowers. A plant can be divided into 3 parts. Examples of mosses. Spores. Spore-producing capsule. No true roots, no vascular tissues, no transport. Characteristics of mosses. Simple stems and leaves. Have rhizoids for anchorage. Spores from capsules, wind dispersal. Damp terrestrial land. Simplest plants. Underground stem. Root. A leaf, finely divided into small parts. Roots, feathery leaves and underground stems. Characteristics of ferns. Have vascular tissues, transport and support. Damp and shady places. Spore-producing organ on the underside of leaves, reproduction. Needle-shaped leaves. Male cones, in clusters. Female cones, scattered. Roots, woody stems. Characteristics of gymnosperms. Needle-shaped leaves. Tall evergreen trees. Cones with reproductive structures. Dry places. Vascular tissues, transport. Naked seeds in female cones. 2 groups. Monocotyledons. Dicotyledons. Flowering plants. Roots, stems, leaves. Vascular tissues, transport. Flowers, fruits, contain seeds. Monocotyledons. Parallel veins. 1 seed leaf. Characteristics of monocotyledons. Leaves have parallel veins. Herbaceous plants. For example, grass, maize. Dicotyledons. Veins in network. 2 seed leaves. Characteristics of dicotyledons. Leaves have veins in network. For example, trees, sunflower, rose. Plant classification. Non-flowering plants. Flowering. Spore-bearing. Naked seeds. No roots. With roots. Mosses. Ferns. Gymnosperms. 1 seed leaf. 2 seed leaves. Monocots. Dicots. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover.